Okay, don't tell Scott. Look at all that heat dissipating because I'm taking a long video while he's cooking. Hey Scott, how long has this been cooking about? How long has this been cooking?
About 20 minutes.
Okay. You said about 20 minutes.
It's
Been 5 minutes?
It's been 5 more minutes.
All right, let's see.
You gotta say it then. Ready?
What did I gotta say? Oh, I'm recording, yeah.
Oh shit.
All right, hold on. Watch this. Good. How's that sound? Does that look okay? That's a $10 pizza from Papa Murphy's. How's the bottom look, big guy? Oh, wow. Damn, dude. That might be it.
I think it's done.
Can you do that one more time on the video, please? She's over there laughing in the corner. Come on, one more. Come on. Are you going to belch one more time while I'm recording?
No, you're gonna be in there though.
That pizza's almost too big for that massive cutter you got. Papa Murphy's double stuffed 5 meat pizza for $10 on Tuesday. I didn't even have to cook it. I just invite myself over to some barbecue guy's house, and he's anything to get you out faster. Nice. Added a little hot sauce to it.
There you go.
So, oh, it's starting to flip. Let me move my thumb. There, now I got it balanced. Uh-oh. Darn it. I was hoping it wouldn't do that. All right. It's Papa Murphy's. What can we say? Awesome job. It just tastes. Smoking a pizza, best thing for you. Goodbye.